In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily send a location on Messages application on an iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, and first off, open up Messages app and then get into a conversation. After that, tap right here at that plus sign and select location. It will automatically detect your current location, and by tapping at share, you will be able to share your live location with that user. Once we tap at share, it will show us these three options, so we can choose period of time for which we would like to share our live location with that user. We can tap at indefinitely, until the end of the day, or for 1 hour. So that's how we can select a period of time, and then all we have to do is just hit at send to send our live location to that conversation. After that, if we would like to stop sharing our location manually, we can in any time open up that conversation again, tap right here, and then select Stop Sharing My Location. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.